Okay, so the first step to cleaning the boat is getting supplies. First, you'll need an approved cleaner, which there's a whole list of approved cleaners in our boat book. Personally, I just use Simply Green and I put it in a spray bottle with water. But a whole list can be found in your boat book. And I believe there's also a link, which if I can find the link, I'll link it down below, and I'll also link down any other products we use down in the description. So when to clean the boat is gathering supplies. So we got a deck brush. I only use this on the floor because if you use it on the seats, you can damage the vinyl. Don't mind him. Microfiber towels and spray bottles and an approved cleaner. Our cleaner of choice is Simple Green, and we just put some Simple Green in here with cold water. And now we're going to blow off the boat because there's a lot of pine needles and crap on it. Okay, here's a little before. We haven't cleaned the boat all summer, so don't judge. The floor isn't as dirty as it was last summer. And I mean, it really doesn't even look that bad. There's just like little stain, like sap and stains and stuff on it. But it's good to clean it and whatnot. There's like a big sap stain right there. So yeah. The inside of the seats get really dirty. So we're gonna clean all of that. And like up there. This one's not too bad. This one gets the dirtiest the most because the water gets back there from the, I think that's why. Step 2 is cleaning with Simple Green. So we spray this on and let it sit for 2 minutes and 2 to 3 minutes, and then wipe it down. With the rags, we're gonna start with the outside of the things first. And of course my spray bottle doesn't work. Ah, here we go. Okay. God, damn ants. Here's a little after of the seats. We still have to rinse, but this up much better. And I mean, it's gonna get dirty again, but that's the life of having a boat. I don't think we're gonna deck brush the floor today because the floor looks pretty good. I mean, I guess there's some spots, but I pretty much wiped the whole boat down, so I don't think I'll be deck brushing. If anyone else wants to deck brush, I guess that's fine, but I'm not deck brushing. My back hurts from cleaning this whole thing. Ah! And this is why I always do 2 bottles, because this bottle's almost dead, and this bottle is like halfway dead. And we do spray Simple Green on the floor if we deck brush. thank you so much for watching that video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads.